International and intercultural management. A challenge for managers. What is actually meant by international management, and what position does intercultural management take in international contexts? Which challenges do companies have to face in case of internationalization? This lecture is dedicated to these questions and addresses the challenge of international and intercultural management for companies and their employees. Our speaker Klaus Lichtenauer worked for more than 17 years as a senior manager of a large German energy company. Among other things, Klaus was entrusted with various positions in IT management. He was CIO of a decentral national business subsidiary, as well as a decentralized managing director of an IT organization. As an expat in various European countries, Klaus was able to gain valuable experience in international management in addition to intercultural expertise. In this presentation, he will use his knowledge to introduce you to important aspects of managing international teams. Please visit the following link and register now.